Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for your likes. Thank you very much for your comments. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like and follow me all the way through again on Pinterest, and let's have a good fun or Twitter or something like that. Whatever you want to follow me for. I hope you're well. And today's video we have a couple of tips on how to get more followers on Pinterest, and I do want to say that to you, and I say that all the time, that no matter what is happening on Pinterest, you need to have a strategy to follow in order to grow. So in terms of your boards, in terms of your keywords, in terms of the content that you're going to create, and then you're going to convert more clients. And there is a couple of steps you need to follow. First of all, you need to optimize everything from your profile, from your boards, your pins, and then you have to attract the right audience. It's very, very important for you to attract the right audience. That's why a lot of people that get followers and then they lose the followers, or they have a lot of followers but they don't have traffic, because the people they're actually following your profile, they're not interested on your business or on your products and services. They're just following you because, I don't know, maybe they like one pin you did. So this is very, very important for you to understand that optimizing your board's profile and optimizing generally your profile and your whole website, I can say that, we talk about Pinterest, is very, very important for you to get the right followers and attract the right traffic, because there is no point to have 15,000 people every day on your blog or on your site, or 25,000, and nobody's buying, nobody's converting. So far from me, for example, I get a lot of subscribers, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see how much traffic do I get and how much I convert. For me, so far, I'm converting at least half of them. Or if I'm not converting half, I'm trying to, optimize and check my analytics here on Pinterest, see what I can do better, or as I say, the opt-in forms, the landing pages, in order to get more into my email list and grow my business. Now, attract the right audience with storytelling, with images, with infographics. As I say that to you, that we need to actually optimize our profile, and we need to make sure that we're using the correct keywords. But it's not only the keywords, it's the whole thing. It's the image that we are going to pin, is actually the board, is the analytics. You need to keep an eye on your analytics, guys. Analytics is very, very, very important. If you are checking your analytics, you're gonna make great progress. You're gonna get a lot of followers, and you can actually create board based on your analytics. So this is tip number one. That's why you're going to subscribe and give us the likes. And again, remember that the third part to connect with your audience is the blog post. Is if you are an Etsy shop owner, for example, you can use blog posts to sell a specific group of products, especially now that we are busy with Halloween and we have Christmas coming soon. So you need to actually take those in advance of Pinterest and convert them. For me, it's very important, as I say to previous videos, to make sure you have the correct ebooks and the lead magnets to offer to your audience, and also then you can convert them to your email list and then nurture the sale down the road. So as we say from before, that actually we talk about that the profile has changed, actually changing again. And if you notice, when Pinterest is testing things, you can see your monthly views going up and down, and maybe your analytics gonna be delayed if you're advertising is happening all the time. Remember that we talked about that before, that changing the profile. Actually, they're testing something new, so we have created now for pins that you pin. And then we have here, and then we have saved. In the save section, there is no boards anymore. So you have all the boards. Probably that is a test. So when Pinterest testing things. And then we have all the pins here. How many pins do I pin? And all my boards. So this is the latest actually changes. And this is something for you to remember, that no matter what changes Pinterest does for you, you need to have a strategy and grow your business no matter what. You need to be focused. You need to create the right boards. You need to create the beautiful, attractive pins and videos that they're very, very popular on Pinterest, and then promote it to your customers. There is a lot of videos coming up. Remember that we have to make sure that, again, you follow a strategy. Maybe you need to sit down and see, what is working for you, what content you need to create, what content you need to produce, what pins you have to pin for next month, next week. For example, I'm scheduling every day, or put everything aside, design your pins, design your videos, and then put them out. And especially for the new year, you have to be ready to start to have a good start. And also with the promotions, what you need to promote, and make sure you're getting followers. So this is why a lot of people that don't understand why they need to optimize. Optimization is helping you to get the right followers. I mean, I've got like last month 45, and I get every day a lot of followers. So this is very, very important. And I don't actually follow people or all this spammy thing. I'd follow the business I like, and things that, brands and companies that I like, and things that maybe my clients or, my students. I don't actually just follow everyone. And this is something for you to consider, that if you want to optimize and get the right followers and get the right sales and get the right conversions, that's what you need to do. You need to consider optimizing everything, and don't worry about the algorithm of the changes, or Pinterest is changing things. So what you need to do, you need to do nothing. You need to make sure you actually moving forward and learning to, be the algorithm, learn the Pinterest algorithm is changing. Everything is changing. So you need to focus on your content, be consistent, and from there you're gonna grow. If you're not consistent, you're not focused on creating the right content, you're not gonna grow your business, and you're gonna get stuck. And this is what a lot of people come to me when I get stuck and say, oh, I did this and I did this, and what I did wrong. Well, obviously you did wrong everything else from the beginning. I mean, the whole thing. You need to start doing it again. So you need to start doing the whole profile from the beginning. So that's why make sure you're optimizing everything correctly, and you focusing to grow your business. Create content on Pinterest that is relevant to what you're selling, and attract the followers that you are interested in your products and services, rather than someone who is not. So I have a free course if you want to take, and also you have promoted pin strategies on the free course. I'll put the link below. Check it out if you want. And my promoted pins course has everything, so you can have a look through. The link will be below. And you need to make sure you are actually growing your business, rather than focusing on what is changes and what is not. So that's it for me. The other thing, by the way, you can do, as I say, look at the analytics, like from your videos and overviews, or here on Business Hub, and make sure to use that to your advantage. You can create a board, for example, based on what you are selling. Obviously, this is the latest changes on your business profile. You have the catalogs, the other tags, and obviously my impressions here and the saves. And this is my latest pins here, and that's the top pins. A lot of the pins. This is very recent pins. That's the ones I pinned yesterday. I add videos as well. So something for you. Analytics, creative things that they're going to help you grow. And remember that what you need to do when you convert those clients, you put them on email marketing campaigns, and then you nurture the sale down the road. So you need to have that ready. So you need to really work on your business on Pinterest. And I'm telling you again, for those who have Etsy and Shopify shop, this is the best season for you to thrive. So make sure you get a lot of signups. If you need help, please let me know, or you can sign up for the course. Leave your comments below. Subscribe, like my video, and I hope you're well. Let's have some fun. Thank you very much, guys.